Always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Partly cloudy to mostly clear skies out there tonight, and temperatures are cooling off pretty quickly. Just kind of looks cold here, doesn't it? This is our GVSU downtown Grand Rapids Skycam. Bone-chilling, record cold in the forecast for tonight. This should be it for the record cold, though. We broke a record for the coldest daytime high this morning, or today, I should say, and then record low for the overnight low early this morning / last night. Now, so the records are done, but the cold weather pattern overall continues. We're talking about temps 15 to 20, almost 25 degrees colder than normal. A little bit of snow in the forecast, too. Not a lot, though. On Storm Track Live, instead of looking at precip, we're watching cloud cover because we are very curious about this cloud cover that continues to push in tonight. It's been pretty slow to move in, and so without the clouds serving as a little bit of an insulator for us, temperatures have been able to drop off pretty quickly. This is what we're going to forecast for overnight tonight. Got some 20s below zero here, especially along and north of US 10, Mount Pleasant down to 22. Forecasting 13 below for Grand Rapids, minus 12 in Kalamazoo, 17 below in Fremont. Notice here along the lakeshore, it's still really cold, but temperatures will be a few degrees less cold, avoiding the word warmer, less cold than the inland areas tonight, about minus 9 for Muskegon. Right now, we're barely above zero right along the lakeshore, but inland we've all fallen below zero. It's 10 below already here in Big Rapids, minus 9 in Lansing, Ionia and Grand Rapids at 3 below zero. Winds are very light, 3-mile-per-hour breeze here in Grand Rapids. About half of us have calm winds. Wind's not a big play overnight tonight, but they pick up tomorrow. Wind chills right now within just a few degrees of the air temperature in most places, but it feels like minus 11 right now in Grand Rapids. Here's the 8-day forecast. 11 for a high tomorrow. That's it. The normal high is 35, so we're missing the mark by more than 20 degrees. 8 tomorrow night, 21 for a high on Tuesday, so you can see we're heading in the right direction, but then back to this. 14, 10, 12 for highs and some sub-zero lows here in the 8-day forecast. This is going to be a very chilly 8-day forecast for us. Thankfully, the record-setting cold should be done after tonight. Was nice to see the sunshine. Pilot Herb Harney up in the sky today with his Skymaster plane taking these pictures near Grand Haven. You know, we had a lot more ice here last week, and the reason we lost a lot of ice on Lake Michigan is because we had the strong winds, big waves, breaks up a lot of the ice, pancake ice out in the open waters. With the cold air, calm winds tonight, and a lot of cold air this week, we should be able to regenerate a lot of that ice. Lake Michigan at about 45% ice cover right now, which is a lot, but not as much as where we were last time this year.